this here is just like it's absolutely marvelous. Have a look at that. It's part like drink, other part like dessert. Basically, it feels like both. It's like very dirty. I love it because it's got the forest fruits, which make it like really acidy. You've got the citrus and the mint, which like really make it taste like so like refreshing. And obviously you can also sip it if you wish to. It's best served in a champagne glass, which is like the old ones, not the flute ones. You can actually do the same recipe using a flute glass, but I've done it like this because it's more like a yummy dessert. Oh, it's so nice. And the chocolate just adds like a certain flair to it. It's got like a tad of bit of salt in it, but overall it's just marvellous. And obviously you can finish off everything in the glass, or finish off everything in the glass. Got this in, got a shot.